Okay, hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to make a new project together with how to create a virtual phone sa Android Studio. So let's start by running the Android Studio. Yan. Let's wait lang. And then we are going to create a new activity and new project. So piliin natin tong empty because it is better to itong empty template na to is ginagamit siya pang mas good siya pang back to scratch something. Yan. Then next, yan, ko-configure natin yung pangalan ng project natin. Let's say post. Yan. And then package name, so optional lang yan pero ikaw. And then minimum SDK, so I recommend na using Nougat kasi yan po yung pinaka-common as of ngayon, yung Nougat. Yan yung pinaka-minimum. And then yung language, and then Kotlin yung pinili ko, pipiliin natin. So finish. Yan, hintayin lang natin lumabas yung Gradle. Tapos yan, kapag lumabas na yan, so it means na successfully nakagawa na tayo ng panibagong project. Okay, so let's start ulit sa how to create a virtual phone emulator. So open natin tong ABD manager, to Android device manager. Yan, and then click add new device, tapos create new virtual app. Okay, then pipili tayo kung anong device or anong hardware, anong phone model yon. Okay, so anything dyan kung ano gusto nyo, but I recommend this Pixel 6. And then i-configure natin siya. We are going to pick a Android version. Show all natin. So piliin nyo tong S or anything na kahit anong gusto nyo. And then finish. Magda-download po yan. Syempre magda-download siya ng estimating, pero ng commonly mga 1 gig po yan, 1 to 2 gig something like that. And then click yes. Ayan, na-download po siya. So let's wait. Once we're done, we are going to click finish. Ayan. And then makikita natin itong virtual phone natin, which is Pixel 6. Ayan. So pwede mo siya i-configure. Okay, pwede mo siya configure pa yan, but we are going to run the app. Yan, starting up. So, okay, let's wait. So when we are going to starting an app dito sa emulator natin, emulator to guys, so i-run niya, parang isi-simulate niya yung itsura ng application natin dun sa mismong cellphone. Okay, so let's wait. Ayan guys, so you can see may cellphone dyan. So gumana yung virtual phone emulator natin. So that's all guys. Thank you for watching and see you again on the next video. Goodbye.